All right, here's a paint edger. People always wonder how to use a paint edger. It's real easy to use, and they're amazing if you use them correctly. These wheels are your friend. And the reason a lot of people fail is because they get paint on the wheels and they don't use the edger correctly. All you have to do is take a pan here, and you just want to dip it in like that. So you're covering just the bottom. What I like to do is just kind of bring it off, dip it again, bring it off. Then at least you're getting the brand new one used to that paint. It's like using a new roller. You're kind of gonna need a little paint on it the first time. And then you bring it up, and you see I have the edge here. Just bring it up against the edge, and just bring it down like that. Bring it up, see that? Beautiful cut edge, right? This is brand new, so the more I get this soaked over time, the better it's gonna work. If you look, no paint on the wheels, right? So, take it again, put it in there, bring it off a little bit, and finish the job. Just bring it over like that. And you can also get all around here. You get around here. Right there. See that? And just add more paint as you go along.